guys, welcome to my channel. How are you all? Today I'm sharing which NCRTs I'm using. There are a lot of NCRTs from 6th to 12th class, but I have selected some of them. So let me start with the history. So for the history, for ancient history, I'm using this old NCRT book, and as I have done all my studies in English medium, but I'm preparing for UPSC in Hindi medium because I have heard a lot about there are a lot of challenge for Hindi medium aspirants, so that I accept that challenge. That is why I'm preparing for Hindi. So this is my old NCRT for ancient history, and I got it from Mukherjee Nagar, Delhi. So this NCRT I'm using for ancient history, and I'm using this NCRT. This is also old NCRT for medieval history. So I'm using this NCRT for medieval. And if we talk about art and culture, I'm not using Nitin Singhania. It's very bulky book, so I skip that. For art and culture, I'm using this Bharatiya Kala Ka Parichay. This is also a NCRT for class 11th class. So for art and culture, I'm using this, and for rest of the material, I use Wikipedia. So this is for my history, and there are more NCRTs for history as well. This is for Bharat or Samkalin Vishwa 2, and this is Bharat or Samkalin Vishwa 1. So I'm using these two NCRTs as well for history, and some other NCRTs for history. विश्व इतिहास के कुछ विषय पार्ट 1, विश्व इतिहास के कुछ विषय पार्ट 2, and विश्व इतिहास के कुछ विषय पार्ट 3. So I'm using these NCRTs also for preparing my history. History is my optional subject. That is why I'm using all these books for history. And if we talk about economics, I'm using this is class 11th NCRT, which is very important, भारतीय अर्थव्यवस्था का विकास. So if you want to read NCRT for economics, so please go and buy this book. This is very important book. And apart from this book, I'm using macroeconomics. This is Samashti Arthvyavastha. Right now, this is very new. I haven't read this book till now, but very soon I will start reading these books. And for geography, I'm using 11th and 12th NCRT, which is this book, and this book, and this is for class 12th NCRT, part 1 and part 2. So I have selected these NCRTs to read. I have another stuff as well, but I'm going to skip all these books. This is for class 7th, Hamara Paryavaran for geography, and this is Hamara Ateet. This is part 1, part 2, and this is Hamare Ateet part 1, and this is for class 7th, Hamare Ateet part 2. So I'm going to skip these books because I think 10th and 11th class books are sufficient to get information. If your background is science or commerce, then only you can go with these books. Otherwise, if your background is arts, humanities, so you can start from 9th class. That is sufficient for you. So these are my NCRTs which I'm going to use to prepare for my civil services examination. So this is it for today. Thank you. If you like the video, kindly do subscribe to my channel because my channel is very new, and hit like button. Thank you so much.